We begin with chapter 5, that is lines and angles. Now, we are going to understand the different types of angles. Now, what are the different types of angles you are already aware of? You are aware of what an acute angle is. An acute angle is an angle which is less than 90 degrees, more than 0. So, this is an acute angle. So, here we find that this is the angle here and this is less than 90 degrees. If it is exactly equal to 90 degrees, then we say it is a right angle triangle. This is 90 degrees. So, we say these are right angle triangles, and there could be angles which is more than 90 degrees. This is 90. So, we have more than 90. So, that means the angle will go beyond that 90 degree line. So, these type of angles which is more than 90 but less than 180 is called an obtuse angle triangle. So, we have acute which is less than 90, we have a right angle which is equal to 90 degrees, and obtuse angle which is more than 90 degrees. So, acute, right and obtuse. Now, beyond this, the angles that are there, that is after obtuse we have a straight angle. A straight angle indicates 180 degrees. So, you are having a line here. This is called a straight angle. This is 180 degrees. So, a straight angle is exactly 180. We have another angle which is more than 180 but less than 360. That is called a reflex angle. So, here this angle is called a reflex angle. And what is a reflex angle? A reflex angle is an angle which is more than 180 but less than 360. And if the angle is 360 degrees, it is completing one full circle here, then we say that it is a complete angle. So, this is a complete angle because 180 linear here, and this is a straight line, again 180, 180 and 180 is 360. So, when it completes a full circle like this, it is 360 degrees, and these type of angles are known as a complete angle. So, we have acute angle which is less than 90 degrees, we have a right angle which is equal to 90 degree, we have obtuse angle which is more than 90 but less than 180. If it is exactly equal to 180, it is called straight angle. If it is more than 180 but less than 360, it is called a reflex angle, and if it is equal to 360, it is called complete angle. So, these are classification of angles on the basis of its measure. Now, besides this, we have to be aware of what are complementary angles and supplementary angles. Now, what are complementary angles? Complementary angles are angles which add up to 90 degrees. We have a combination of two angles and their total is 90 degrees, then we can say that they are complementary angles. So, any value x and any value y, when I am adding up and I am getting 90, I can say the angles are complementary angles. So, we could have a combination of 10 degree and 80 degree. 10 and 80 is 90, so we can say they are complementary. We can have a combination of 20 and 70 degrees. So, 20 and 70 is 90. So, this is complementary. These are complementary angles. What about 30 and 50? Now, 30 and 50 when I add is going to give us 80 degrees. So, they are not complementary. So, we can say that complementary angles are a pair of angles which on adding will give me 90 degrees. Supplementary angles are angles which is going to give you a total of 180 degrees. So, supplementary angles are angles which will give you a total of 180 degrees. Now, these two angles could be anything. It could be 180. 180 is giving you a total of 180 degrees. So, these are supplementary angles. We could have 50 degrees and 130 degrees. The total is 180. These are supplementary. What about this 100 and 100? Are they supplementary? No, because when 100 and 100 are added, then together we are going to get 200 degrees, and 200 degrees is not a supplementary angle.